job, Yulia. Good morning. It is currently 9:30 a.m. It is the Monday of exam week, so naturally I'm filming a video. I thought it would be great timing to take you along on a day in the life of a data scientist in exam week, so you get to see what it's really like to be studying data science at the University of Amsterdam. I'm gonna do a bit of last minute studying, so I'll show you my notes and kind of what my course is about at the moment, and then I'll take you to my exam hall in the city center campus, show you around. We're gonna go to the University of Amsterdam merch pop-up store, which just opened at this campus, and we're gonna try to get a hoodie from the university. Let's go. Actually show you what I'm studying. Okay, so my course right now is called Applied Machine Learning, and it's like the core course for data science in general, and I can show you how I take notes for it and what I use to study. So these are my notes. I ran out of white paper notebooks, so I kind of just did it in red this time. And you can kind of see the structure of the course. We did linear regression, classification, deep networks, text processing, image analysis, some more cross-validation and minimal supervision. And we also had some expert lectures on recommender systems and guns at the end. Guns are the things that came up in the news lately for making the portrait that was sold at Christie's. So it's really cool that we're studying really relevant and new things. So the way I take notes is based on the lecture slides, of course, and I tend to write really small, so then looks like I have less to study. So I have like 1 or 2 pages actually for each lecture, so in the end it doesn't end up being so much. I have like little graphs and images that I think kind of help understand. Sometimes they're really, really small. Like this one, I think this was like a scientific paper that I just made into 1 page. And then, of course, some exercises. Most of machine learning is based on math and statistics. I'm not the biggest fan of statistics, to be honest. I know, wrong profession. But I really, really like math, and the kind of math that we're using in machine learning is linear algebra, so anything to do with matrices and algebra in general, so polynomial equations and things like that, and a lot of calculus, which is my favorite. So we're gonna do a lot of derivatives to calculate the minimum point in a function or the maximum point, but usually the minimum. And we have this thing called Canvas that a lot of universities use. That's UVA, and we have all our lectures here usually. Some of them have videos, so you can go back and watch the lecture if you didn't understand, because if you see a slide like this, you might not remember what it was really about. And of course, I cross-reference with the one and only Coursera machine learning course, and then I just sometimes Google specific concepts if I want to make sure I'm 100% getting it. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. Our exam is at 2. It's gonna be 3 hours, I think, and it's a combination of multiple choice and open questions, and usually it's things that you kind of have to figure out on your own, so it's not like remembering a theorem or the definition of something. It's like having the basic concepts in your head, how would you apply this to a situation you haven't really seen before? Which is a lot more fun, and this is only in the master's. When I was doing my bachelor in data science, it was a bit more about remembering and getting down the basics, of course. So yeah, that's what studying for data science is like.
Hello, I hope you can hear me. It's a little bit windy. We have a case of classic Dutch weather today. It's not really raining, but it also looks like it could any second now. I'm just walking along the canals, which are everywhere, and the campus I'm going to today is actually within walking distance of my house, so that's really nice. But otherwise I would be taking the bus. Most people bike. You'll see bikes parked around literally everywhere, but that's not really for me. I tried it in my first year of my bachelor, but I'm really bad at biking, and anywhere I go to, I will get there super sweaty and tired and annoyed, and that's just not productive for the rest of my day. So I take public transport whenever I can, especially if it's bad weather like this, because no one likes biking in the rain. Although the Dutch people will do it. They are fearless, like nothing's gonna stop them from biking. There we go. This is the UvA campus my exam is at. It's called Roterseiland, I think. I'm sorry for Dutch people listening. But yeah, it's really cool above the water, and I'm gonna try to find a cafeteria and a pop-up merch store before my exam. So let's go! Finally over, but yeah, I think it went okay. I hope so. I don't want to jinx it, but it was a lot though. It was like 20 pages of exercises, and it was very math heavy as well, which was fun. But like now my scrap papers look like a mess. I'll insert a clip of it. I also found out that the merch store that I wanted to go to get a hoodie is actually not at this building and not open today, so good job, Yulia. Now I'm gonna go grocery shopping and get some food so I can cook myself lunch and or dinner on a student budget. And then that's the last thing I have to do today, then I am on holiday. So I'm excited about that. Let's go!
Exam is over, dinner's done, and that's it for my day. I still have one assignment that is due on Wednesday evening, but since it's Monday, I'm not gonna start on that yet. I'm just gonna enjoy the fact that I'm done, watch some Netflix or YouTube, and go to sleep early. Maybe. Hope you enjoyed coming along with me today. I can also do another video of a more average day when courses start again in January and show you around our lecture halls at our actual campus, Science Park, which is where, you guessed it, all the science-related studies are housed together. Hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you next time. Bye!